Hello everyone, I am Brinda from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video, let us discuss about the library database in a DBMS subject. First, let us go to the entity relationship diagram for the library database. This ER diagram for any database provides a visual representation of the entities and attributes, and it involves the relationship between them. It means entities means which the specific information needs to be known, and the attributes which describes the entities. So ER diagram gives the relationship between entity and attribute. So it serves as a blueprint for designing and implementing the database structure to efficiently manage the library's information. Now let us come to the overview of this database. The first one includes key entities. Key entities in a libraries are books, publishers, authors, patrons, and laws. And the second one is relationships. The relationships between managing libraries, collections, and patent transactions are crucial while we are dealing with a relationship in a library database. And the third one is database design. While we are going to design a library database, we should ensure that efficient storage, retrieval, and maintenance of the library's information. And now let us look at each and every key entity in a library database. The first one is book. Books include or represent a physical or digital resources available in the library's collection. And the second one is authors, which capture information about the individuals or organizations that have written the book. The third one is publishers. They store details about the companies responsible for publishing the books. And the fourth one is patrons, maintain information about libraries registered users who borrow the books and who lend the books as well. The fifth one is loans, record the transactions of books and borrowed and returned by patrons. While we come to the relationships in a library database, there are two types of relationships. The first one is one to many. It means, for example, each book is written by one or more authors, and each author can write a multiple books. This is an example for one to many relationship. And many to many means a patron can borrow multiple books, and a book can be borrowed by multiple patrons. The connecting entities are, while these relationships enable the database to capture the complex interactions within the library's ecosystem. And next we came to the attributes, which describes the or qualifies the entities. The first one is books. Books are qualified or described by the ISBN, title, publication year, genre, and availability status, and more. The second one is authors. Authors are described by their name, biography, nationality, birth and death dates, and list of published works. And the third one is patrons. It includes name, contact information, membership status, borrowing history, and overdue fees as well. And let us come to final ER diagram of a library database. It includes staff. Staff has to manage reports and readers. Readers has to reserve or return date of the book. Books published by the publisher. Staff has to log in authentication system. And let us come to the staff at the initial point. Staff has a staff ID, name, and reports has user ID, register number, book number, and issue and return. When we come to the readers, it includes user ID, email, first name, last name, phone number, address as their attributes of the readers. And books include price, category, edition, title, ISBN, author name as their attributes. And publisher includes publisher ID, uh, birth and death date, and year of publication, and name. Authentication system includes login ID and password. And finally, staff has to manage books also. And receive and return date includes return date and issue date. And this is database schema design. It includes tables, primary keys, foreign keys, and indexes. While we come to the tables, the database schema defines the structure of the tables and the relationships. Primary keys are unique identifiers for each entity. It enables efficient data storage and retrieval in a database. When we come to the foreign keys, these keys helps to link related tables, allowing the database to maintain referential integrity. And indexes optimizes query performance by creating efficient data access paths. Finally, we came to the conclusion. It includes comprehensive design of the library database. This, the entity relationship diagram and database schema provide a comprehensive design for the library's information management system. Efficient operations, the database design supports efficient book management, pattern transactions, and reporting capabilities. And the third one is flexibility and scalability. The modular and extensible design allows the library to adapt to changing requirements and growing needs over time. Data integrity and security. The database design ensures the integrity, confidentiality, and security of the library's data. And thanks for watching.